In this video, we're going to use HTML Canvas to draw a circle. So the first step, similar to drawing a rectangle, we're going to have cdx.beginPath. So this creates a new path for the circle. And then we're going to have cdx.stroke to draw the circle. And in here, we're going to have cdx.arc, since it's a circle. And the first two values will be the x and y. So the x position and the y position of the center of the circle. So for example, 150, 150. And the next value will be the radius of the circle, 50 for example. And then the last two values will be the starting angle of the circle and the finishing angle of the circle. So it starts at 0 degrees and finishes at 360 degrees since it's a circle. So 360 we would have 2 times math.pi. So if we save that and run it, so this would be our circle with the center at 150, 150. And yeah,